Like in one of my courses, the course is the Art of Delegation. I expound on it. The main thing is you saying, well, how do you trust someone, to put them in that position? Trust has to be earned. Trust has to be earned. People have to earn your trust. And so when I'm looking for somebody, I'm looking for somebody that I can pour life into, that I can create value, and they'll know how to create value in themselves. But I'm really looking for another version of myself. Management is really not the direction of things, it's the direction of people. So I focus on showing people how to see themselves. So I have to show them, look, you can be this manager, right? So I'm giving them information that's transforming them, and thus they take pride in what they do, and they become a great manager. And I learn, and then I'm able to delegate and say, wow, you can run this business, or you can do that. Of course, I'm still gonna always oversee, and I'm gonna look, so to speak. But once they have that confidence in themselves, well, then they become worthy of that position. And I'm feeling good about delegating them that position, but it's gotta be earned. They gotta believe in themselves, and they gotta be worthy of it. And that happens over a period of time. You gotta earn that trust.